The world of ultra-portable aerial cinematography is about to experience a seismic shift. And if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to jump into the drone game, that moment is almost here. For months, the tech community has been rife with speculation, but the latest supply chain whispers and insider leaks have finally coalesced into a picture of what we can expect from the next generation of DJI's palm-sized wonder. We are looking at a device that doesn't just iterate on its predecessor. It effectively obliterates the limitations that have held back casual creators for years. This is not just another minor spec bump. It is a total reimagining of the DJI Neo series. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. By the time we finish this deep dive, you will understand exactly why the industry is holding its collective breath, waiting for the official word on the DJI Neo 3. The sheer ambition behind the DJI Neo 3 is staggering. When we look at the trajectory of a Neo line, it has always been about accessibility, but the 2026 model is clearly aimed at a different tier of user, one who demands professional-grade output from a device they can slip into their jacket pocket. The most significant rumor circulating right now, and one that has experts buzzing, is the potential for a 4K per 120 frames per second camera system. If DJI pulls this off, they are effectively giving every amateur creator a cinema-ready, slow-motion rig. Think about the implications. You're no longer limited to standard, choppy aerial shots. With 120 frames per second, you can capture fluid, hyperstable, and cinematic footage that rivals drones 5 times its size and 3 times its price. This leap in sensor technology, paired with what is rumored to be a next-generation AI image processor, means that the DJI Neo 3 will be able to handle complex lighting scenarios and high-contrast environments that traditionally baffle smaller sensors. Let's talk about the design, because that is where the most visible changes are occurring. We are hearing reports of an innovative open grill prop guard system. For those who aren't deep into the drone engineering weeds, this is a massive deal. One of the biggest challenges with shrinking a drone down to this form factor is heat dissipation. When you cram a high-performance 4K chip, a complex gimbal, and a battery into a tiny chassis, thermal throttling is the enemy of performance. The open grill design is rumored to solve this by optimizing internal airflow, which not only keeps the internals cool, but directly impacts flight reliability and, most importantly, battery efficiency. By maintaining an optimal operating temperature, the DJI Neo 3 is expected to stretch its flight time beyond the limitations we saw in previous generations. Imagine getting an extra few minutes of airtime that you can actually use for creative shots instead of worrying about a low battery landing alert. The AI capabilities of the DJI Neo 3 are another major focus for the development team. We have seen decent subject tracking in the past, but the leaks suggest that this version will feature deep learning algorithms that can predict subject movement with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're mountain biking, vlogging your travels, or just capturing a quick social media clip, the drone will be able to maintain a lock on you even in chaotic environments with obstacles like branches or moving crowds. This isn't just follow-me mode. It's an autonomous cinematographer that understands composition and anticipation. DJI is clearly positioning the DJI Neo 3 as the ultimate creator's companion, removing the need for a dedicated pilot and letting the user focus entirely on the content. We also have to consider the market context here. Why is there so much hype around the DJI Neo 3? It's because the market for drones under the 250-gram limit is the most competitive space in tech. In the US, this is the golden zone for hobbyists and professionals who want to avoid the headache of complex registration and regulation. By staying within this ultra-lightweight category while offering specs that bleed into the professional Mavic territory, the DJI Neo 3 could potentially cannibalize sales from DJI's own higher-end models. It creates a fascinating dilemma for the consumer. Do you invest in a heavier, more cumbersome drone, or do you bet on the extreme portability and raw power of this new series? The answer, according to those close to the supply chain, is leaning heavily toward the latter. Furthermore, the connectivity improvements are worth noting. The leaks point toward a new transmission protocol that drastically reduces latency and boosts range, even in signal-congested urban environments. If you've ever flown a mini drone and felt the signal drop out just as you were lining up the perfect shot, you know how frustrating that is. The DJI Neo 3 is reportedly aiming for a rock-solid, low-latency link that keeps you connected no matter where your creative journey takes you. This is essential for the faceless content creator who needs to rely on the drone as an extension of their camera setup without worrying about technical failure. When we consider the build quality, it seems DJI is moving toward more durable, impact-resistant materials for the DJI Neo 3. This is essential for a drone that is marketed as palm-sized and vlogger-friendly. If you're throwing this device into a backpack, you need to know it will survive the journey. Everything about the build, from the hinges on the folding arms to the protective shell, is being optimized for the on-the-go lifestyle. It's not just a tool, it's an accessory, and it feels like DJI has spent serious time researching how creators actually handle their gear in the real world. As we look toward the official reveal, the pricing strategy for the DJI Neo 3 will be the final piece of the puzzle. DJI has been very clever about creating tiers for their drones, and they know that to dominate the US market, they need to hit that sweet spot between value and performance. If they launch this at a price point that undercuts current action cameras, they will effectively force the entire industry to rethink their pricing. It's a bold move, but one that is perfectly aligned with the growth of the creator economy. Everything about the DJI Neo 3, from its rumor-shattering 4K per 120 frames per second camera to its thermal-efficient design, points to a product that is designed to change the way we think about aerial cinematography. It's lighter, it's smarter, and if the leaks hold true, it's going to be the most significant release of the year. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just someone who wants to take their social media content to the next level, the DJI Neo 3 is going to be the drone to beat. We will continue to track every single update, every leak, and every official announcement until the day it hits the shelves. Thank you for staying with us through this deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and comment with your thoughts. Would you upgrade to the DJI Neo 3? We want to hear from you. Stay tuned, because the future of tech is happening right now, and we're here to keep you ahead of the curve. Keep creating, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next one.